Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. So we were at ayah 50 and we already finished until here. Fa'anjaynakum. So, Sister Binita.
Yes, sister.
Wa aghraqna.
So, sister, do we make it matuf?
Yes,
So
we
it's
can.
almost the same. Everything is same, right?
Yes. So if you say matuf to what? That's the thing. Yes.
So, like aghraqna will be matuf on faraqna.
Okay, so we said at fa'anjaina, we said it's matuf to faraqna. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
But that it is maktuf because of the fa, right? But because
Okay.
this is different half atifa,
Okay.
right? This is fa, this is not wow. If this is wow
Yeah.
and this is wow, then everything will be maktuf to faraqana. But
Got
because
it.
this is fa, so this one will be maktuf to this one. Fa
Okay.
anjaina. Okay, not
Okay,
to the first one. If it's the same atifa, then yes, it's to the first one.
Okay, sister.
Okay,
Got it.
can you understand?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, yes, we can say this is
Wow, atifa.
or we can just say maktuf bil wow. That will mean that the wow is atifah. Okay, it's
Okay.
maktuf because of the wow. Yes, and it's maktuf ala to what?
Ala, what was it? Najjaynakum?
Anjaina.
Anjaynakum. Yeah.
Yes.
Anjaynakum.
And what's the sarf for aghraqna?
Ghain, Ra, Qaf are the root letters. Family 4. Aghraka yughriku.
Yes.
Ighraka.
Yes.
Fahuwa mughrikum.
Ighraqan. Yes, fahuwa
Mughrikum.
mughri. Yes, I already said that day that this is the same family 4, the same as our anjaina kum. Yes, so the saving is one time, and here the drowning is also one time compared to family 2. Yes, good.
Yes.
Next one says the Shiraz.
Yes.
Ala.
Ala. La Fir'auna. It is Muzaf.
Before mudaf. So mudaf itself is an ism. It has a status. So what is it doing here? What status is it?
It is Mafool. It is Mansub.
Yes. Because
Mansub bil Fatah.
Before that.
Because
why is it
Mafool
mansub?
bihi.
Yes.
Because of Mafool bihi.
Yes. Mafool bihi. Mansub bil
Bil
Fatah. Good. And you say it's mudaf. That will make the next word.
Mudafila. It is Majroor. Fir'auna is Mudafila.
Majroor bil what?
Bil this is Fatah.
Yes, bil Fatha. This is not our normal sign. So what do we say?
So Muqaddara?
Muqaddara you only use when you have a weak letter at the end. This is just not the default sign. No, niyabatan. Niyabatan means substituting. Niyabatan and always come with what you expect for the status that you're looking at. Yes. So majrur, you expect what? Yes. Anil kasrah. Okay. Yes. Why? Why it doesn't take a kasrah?
It is mamnu min as-sarf.
Exactly. Li'annahu mamnu min as-sarf. Exactly. Okay? Can? So, Sister Quratul Ain, can you translate this part here?
We saved you all and we drowned the family of Fir'aun.
Yes, the family or the people.
Yeah, the people of Fir'aun. Yeah.
Of Fir'aun. Good. And so that day when we saw the word Fir'aun in the previous ayah, we read some things, right, about the titles of the different kings of the different places. We have an additional note for you. So the note says, when a mamnu min as-sarf name is used in general terms, then it becomes basically mu'rab. Okay, sarfan. Can you read and translate? Is it too small?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
When a sarf name is used in general, it becomes sarfan. Okay,
Can
so
read
it's
this one.
okay. Yeah, so لكل فرعون موسى.
Musan.
Oh, Musan.
Yes. So what's the translation?
So
okay.
for all the Fir'aun, there is a Musa.
Yes, for every Fir'aun, there is a Musa,
Mm.
basically. So this is not talking about that Fir'aun and that Musa, right? It's in general, using their name as a general
Right.
like description like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
So
that's why Musa has become
yes, that's why it
and
both
also
has
Fir'aun.
become
Both
tanween. Exactly.
have.
Okay. Obviously,
Yeah.
you don't see this in the Quran because it's not used that way. But outside of the
Right.
Quran, this is additional notes for us. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, what's after you? Sister Sue. Wa antum.
وأنتم
Mm-hmm.
wow wow here is Halia
Yes. Yes, it is.
and Antum is Domir
Before that, so if you have a waw halia, means the jumlah after it is going to be
jumlah after it will be is it mansub?
yes, fi mahali nasab
Fi
because
mahali nasab because it's Halia.
yes, because it's a hal.
It's Hal.
Yes. And the antum itself, you were saying?
And Antum is Domir
Mm-hmm.
Munfasil
Yes.
mabni ala sukun.
Mm-hmm. Fi mahali
Fi mahali rafa mubtada.
because yes, good. And next one, Sister Jahanara, are you participating or are you still traveling? Maybe not participating. Sister BV.
Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So we
Okay,
have wa antum, wa halia, antum is mubtada, tanzurun.
Okay, Anzurun is khabar.
Yes, so we say
So we say wal jumlah ba'dahu ba'daha, right?
what
Oh,
is this who or ha referring back to?
wow is halia, right? Wow halia wal jumlah.
Yeah, basically you can say it's referring to wow or referring to the whole thing wa antum
So it
basically.
is
Yes.
ha, right? Ba'daha.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So wal jumlah ba'daha fi mahalli rafa khabar.
Yes. And tanzurun will be
Anzurun will be fi'il mudari marfu bi thubuti nun.
marfu. Nun. Mm-hmm.
Thubuti nun. Wal waw. Wal waw is domir muttasil fi mahalli rafa fa'il.
Yes. And sarf.
Nun zara
Mm-hmm.
family one.
Mm-hmm.
Nazara yanzuru.
Yes.
Master.
Mm-hmm.
Is it nazran?
Yeah. Nazaran.
Nazaran. Okay. Nazaran.
Maybe that's more. Fahuwa.
Nazirun.
Nazirun. Good. And back to Sister Vinita.
Yes, sister.
How do we translate this part? Last part?
Yeah. While
Mm-hmm.
you were witnessing or while you were looking at it?
Yes, while you were looking.
Looking. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Can, inshallah. We finish
Yes,
Ayah 50. Any questions before we move on to the topics that we need to cover for the next?
Sister, alhamdulillah. Very clear.
Okay. So, gonna do all numbers. We have a number at the next ayah, which is a whole number. So, we're gonna cover number 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these rulings apply to them. Okay, so this is, I would say this is the easiest number to deal with, because as you can see, they look like jamak muzakkar salim. Una, ina. Una rafa, ina is your nasab version. Okay, of course, hold on. For the rest, it's basically from your numbers 1 to 9, basically, it has the same word, right? Salasa, arba'ah, khamsa, right? So it's the same word, except for number 20 that you have to remember, because number 2 is 9, rest, but in 20 it becomes ishrun. Okay. So that's the only thing you have to remember. And then these words I said are the easiest because they are not gender sensitive. So it doesn't matter what thing you are talking about, it's always gonna be this version. There's no feminine version for this. So you don't say like ishratun, you don't do that. Okay, so it's always gonna be the masculine version. And the thing will become a tamyiz, which we'll talk about later also. Tamyiz will be mufrad and nasab and nakirah. Okay, so for example here we have Sister Shiraz.
This is
What do we have here? Haldoro.
Havara Salathuna Taliban.
What is
So
Haldoro?
Hazara is a fail Madi.
Mm-hmm.
Hazara was to present, but Salasuna is students, that is file, which is marfu.
Yes, correct. Marfu. And you will do your i'rab the same way, marfu bil what in this case?
Wow.
Yes.
By the presence of noon.
No. Presence of nun is
Wow.
for fi'il. Wow was correct.
Okay,
Yes.
here is wow. Yeah.
Like
wow.
muslimuna. Okay, you will say marfu bil
Muslim.
dhamma niabatan anil marfu bil waw niabatan anil dhamma li'annahu mulhaq jamak muzakkar salim. Okay, we talked about mulhaq before because this word don't have a singular, right? So they work like jamak muzakkar salim. They are variation of it. Okay, and then taliban will be our
Tamyeez.
yes, exactly,
Tamyeez.
tamyiz. Okay, next one, Sister Quratul Ain. What about this one?
So this is اشتريت 20 مسطرة. So اشتريت is فعل ماضي. تا is فاعل. And 20 is the مفعول به.
Yes, and Mistra?
And then this is tamyiz.
Yes, this will be the tamyiz. Okay, so whenever, because it's like 20 watt, right? 30 watt came. I bought 20 watt. So these two are going to be your tamyiz. Okay, Ken, inshallah.
Sister,
Yes.
sister.
So una and ina, it's only for the file and the maful. It depends only on that, na sister? The change of era.
Yes,
How it
because
is
we
used.
have a
That's it.
fa'il, right? So it's marfu.
Ji.
Yes, here is a maf'ul, so it's nasab. Yes, exactly. Normal.
Ji.
Okay, just per normal, you have to see if it's una, rafa. So why is it rafa? If it's ina, it's
Okay.
nasab or jar. So why is it nasab or jar? Okay.
So if it is feminine thing coming, sister, so it will remain the same. That is what you are saying, right?
Yes, because here this is feminine, right? This is with a tamarbuta. But we use the same. We use the same. Okay, so it's not gender sensitive. No matter what, you use this one. There's no feminine version of the numbers itself. Okay, compared to other numbers, right? For example, we've done 3 to 9 before, right? We have a masculine one and a feminine version of the number, and you use the opposite one, right? So yeah, this one is a bit more difficult, but this one is the easiest one, the 20, 30, 40. Okay?
Tamyiz can be feminine or masculine.
Yes, can be anything.
Okay. Ji, sister.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
Sister Vinita?
Yes, sister, I have a question.
Mhm.
I maybe a very basic, but now you said that here, salasuna, you
Mhm.
said that this is marfu because of wow.
Marfu bil waw, yes, that's the sign of marfu. Like
Yeah.
muslimuna, right?
Okay, because here we are taking it as an ism, yeah?
Yes, this is an ism, not a fi'il,
That's
right?
right. Okay. Yeah.
Subutun nun
Had
and
it been
hazaf nun
failed,
is for fi'il.
yeah. Had it been
Yes.
failed, then we'll say noon. Okay.
Yes,
Got it.
exactly. Okay, can
Yes.
everyone
Got it.
clear?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so now anyone don't know, okay, but still we have time, so we'll do tamyiz also, inshallah. Not the whole tamyiz, but some parts of tamyiz. So tamyiz is a clarifier, okay? So some words need clarifying, okay? When words are what they call mubaham, okay? That ambiguous words, okay? So we do tamyiz that. This is the easy one. Tamyiz Dzat is when you have a tamyiz to clarify a weight, a measurement, a space, a number, this kind of words. Okay. So just now I stopped at Sister Qatul Ain, right? So next one was Sister Sue.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Which one? Bit tukar.
Yes, correct. What do we have here?
Rotlan. Bit tukar is a fi'il.
Mm-hmm. What's our fa'il?
Madi.
Mm-hmm.
Fi'il madi. I.
Ana, yes.
Ana. And
Mm-hmm.
ka is the maf'ulu bih.
Yes, maf'ul bihi.
Rotla is the tamyiz.
Rotlan is a pound.
Oh,
So I sell you what?
okay. Is another maf'ulun bihi.
Yes, another maf'ul bihi.
Sani.
Exactly. Correct. And then inaban.
Inaban. That's the tamyiz.
Yes, this is the tamyiz. Okay. This one is our weight. This one is the word that needs to be clarified. Okay. So you don't say this is maf'ul bihi thalis. We don't say this is the third maf'ul bihi because this and this helps to clarify this word. Okay. This is what you sell, right? So it's a maf'ul bihi, it's a direct object. But this clarifies this word. So you don't say this is maf'ul bihi thalis. You say this is tamyiz. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Sister BV.
Yes.
What about this one here?
Clarifies scale measurement. اشتريت litran حليبا. اشتريت is فعل ماضي. فاعل is to أنا. Litran is the مفعول به.
Yes.
And حليبا will be the tamyiz.
Yes, exactly. So which is the mubaham?
مبهم will be the litran.
Yes, the liter basically. Yes, I bought a liter. A liter of what?
Liter of milk.
Yes. Good. Next one. Sister. Are you participating, Sister Shamima?
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. Haven't heard from you for a long time,
Yeah,
except in private.
yeah. I was in vacation. That's why, yeah.
I
Okay.
see. Okay. What about this one here, yours? So we have the
Okay.
same ishtaraitu.
Yeah, Ishtaraitu I bought Faddanan, right? Faddanan and Echo. So this is Maful Bihi. Ardan is Tamiz. Ardan clarifies Faddana.
Yes, correct. Exactly. So
Oh,
this is our ism that is mubaham.
Mubaham, yeah, ambiguity.
Yes,
This one
correct.
is-
Good. Sister Zarina, are you participating?
Yes, sister. My internet just came back.
I
Alhamdulillah.
see. Good lah. Yes. What about this one?
So Ja'a is fi'il madi, and then outside is outside dua. Ishmuna.
Yes. So this is our fa'il.
Fa'il, and then Taliban is our tamiz.
Yes, exactly. This is our tamyiz. Okay. So here, where is our ism that is mubaham?
Ish Oh, the isim.
Yes, that is mubham. That is ambiguous.
Ishruna?
Yes, exactly. Ishruna. Okay. So why I keep asking that is because this is the amil of the word tamyiz. Okay, what makes the tamyiz nasab? It's not the fi'il, but it's the thing that you're clarifying. Okay, this is nasab is maf'ul bihi because of the fi'il, right? Ka
Yeah.
is nasab because of the fi'il. Litran is nasab because it's the maf'ul bihi of this. Same thing here. This is rafa because this is the fa'il of the fi'il. But all this, they are all nasab because they are the amil of that. What makes them nasab is this one here, the ism mubaham. Okay, clear? The last
Inshallah.
one is kam istifhamiyah, which we haven't done, but the point being here, whenever you have kam means how many, then you will have a tamyiz after that. So kam kitaban, kam yauman, kam shahran. How many books, how many days, how many months? Okay, and then how many books? What? Qara'ta. This is fi'il madi, anta. So how many books have you read? Okay, clear?
Tadi,
Yes.
okay. So here kitaban, right? So it has to be in singular, is it? For the after come,
Yes.
it has to be singular, even though we are referring to plural.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we translate as how many books because we don't say how many book, right? We don't say that. So yes, we translate as how many books. Yes. Okay.
Sister, can you give the Irab like mubtada or Irab?
I'rab wise kam is maf'ul bihi. Kitaban is the tamyiz. Qara'ta is your fi'il. Yes.
Okay, fil file maf'ul bihi. Okay.
Yes, because when you
So
answer, you
this is kamul istifahmiyah, right?
yes, this
Interrogative
is
kam.
correct. This is the question word. Yes. Okay. Can?
So
Good.
I said do I said how can I say kam maf'ul bihi like in Arabic like kamul istifahmiyah mabni ala sukun fi mahili nasab maf'ul bihi.
Yes, maf'ul bihi muqaddam.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Good.
so you're making it maful because when we will answer, the answer will be like how
Yes.
many? Yeah?
Exactly.
As
You will
maful.
answer qara'tu something kitaban. So that something, that answer is actually replacing kam, or kam is replacing that answer. So whatever the
Okay.
answer is, this is also going to be that.
So
Okay?
that means questions word will always be maful.
No, it depends on the context of your answer.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions here?
No,
That's
sister,
all
very
for
clear.
tamyiz. But, okay, we have one more thing to discuss today. We've done part of this topic. We have done the zaman. We haven't done makan. We haven't seen one that I need to go over this topic with. But there is something called Naibul Mafool Feehi. Remember we did Naibul Mafool Mutlaq? We also have one for Mafool Feehi, and it's basically about the same thing. So you okay there, you'll be okay here. Okay. In fact, this is easier than Mafool Mutlaq. This is only 3. So when do we have Naibul Mafool Feehi? When we have a master, but you have to understand, provided that this master can carry the meaning of a Mafool Feehi. Okay, so here we have, hold on. Is it back to Sister Vinita? I didn't miss anyone, right? Yes, okay. Sister Vinita. What do
Yes,
we have
sister.
here?
Antaziruka. So antaziru is fail mudare.
Who's our
With
fa'il?
ana as fa'il.
Yes.
Ka is maful bihi. Waqta. Time.
Yes.
Waqt is time, right?
Yes. So this is maf'ul fihi basically. Yes.
Yes, it's makan.
Yes, meaning you wait for me where, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And says the time can also be zaman. At what time? No.
No, so this is zaman, not makan. Waqta, right?
Yeah, zaman.
Time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mhm.
waqt is zaman. Yeah. Right.
Yes. And
Tulu'i is the sunrise, yeah?
yes, but what is it doing
Yeah.
here?
So this is mudaf ilayh.
Yes, mudaf ilayhi to waqta. Yes.
Waqt, yes. Shamsi. This is also mudaf ilayh.
Yes, mudaf ilayhi to tulu. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I wait for you at the
And wait for you
time.
at the time of sunrise.
Yes, exactly. Okay. But this word you can delete. You can delete this word
Yes.
because tulu'a can give you a meaning of time, right? Sunrise. The time of sunrise,
Absolutely.
basically. Okay. So when you can delete this, then tulu'a, this is the master that becomes naibul maf'ul fihi. Just like at naibul maf'ul mutlaq, we saw sirtu sayron tawilan, I walk a long way, and then we can delete the sayron, sirtu tawilan. Yes, so yes, correct. So like that, it's the same thing. Okay, you delete the original maf'ul fihi that's supposed to be there. So the next word doesn't have to be jar anymore because there's no mudaf before it. Yes, so it becomes nasab.
Okay.
This is the naibul maf'ul fihi. Okay.
Okay. So sister, if we don't see waqt, still we say it's naibul, or it is naibul only when we see the waqt in the sentence?
I mean, you won't see it anymore, right?
Okay.
So
So
if you
we'll
have
assume
this kind of sentence in the Quran, most probably Irab, some will just say this is maf'ul fihi, some will say this is naibul maf'ul fihi because the scholars don't agree in the way they say things, but they mean the same thing. Okay, so if you see naibul maf'ul fihi, that's the reason, because there's a word that's been deleted there.
Okay. But if sister, we just see it like this, we'll just say this is maf'ul fihi.
Which one? The red one or the blue one?
The blue one. We'll just say that this is maf'ul.
I mean, if you say it's maf'ul fihi, I would not say you're wrong. But the more technical one is that it is naibul maf'ul fihi, or they will say this is sifa to a maf'ul fihi that is mazuf. Same thing for the maf'ul mutlaq. Yes?
Okay. Okay.
Did I answer your question?
Yeah.
Waqta we say like maf'ul fihi or zarf zaman.
Yes.
Tului mudaf ilahi.
Yes.
Wa huwa mudaf, shams is final mudaf ilahi, right?
Yes,
Sister?
correct. So
Okay.
if there is this word, then this is maf'ul fihi clearly because this is a word that is time, right? It means time. Yes.
Yeah, it's denote time. It's denote times. Yeah.
Yes.
Right, yeah.
Okay. But even without it, because tulu can give you the meaning of time, so you
Yeah,
can
we
say this is
understand, yeah.
also maf'ul fihi. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
It is good to say naibi anil
Yes.
maf'ul fihi.
That would be like more technical maybe. Yes,
Yeah,
more
most
accurate.
accurate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Can? Inshallah. And then we have, this is the one that is exactly like the maf'ul mutlaq actually, the sifa of the omitted zarf. Because this is actually not the sifa, right? If the waqt is there, this is not sifa, this is the mudaf ilaihi of it. Yeah, so that's the difference between the two. But the similar thing is the word that you see as zarf is deleted basically. Okay, so here this is the Shiraz. Are you still here?
Yes, sister. Ji.
Mhm.
So I need to read this. Okay, labithu.
What kind of word is this?
Labithu is fi'l madi.
Yes.
Labisa, labisu. Zamanan, tawilan. So labisu is fi'l madi with the waw jama muzakkar as the fa'il. Zamanan is the time which is been said, maf'ul fihi.
Yes, exactly.
And tawilan is the duration, for the long duration.
So what do you say in Iraq?
This is tamyiz.
Nah.
Zamanan tawilan. Zamanan tawilan. This is maf'ul fihi.
Nah, this
no.
is sifa to zamanan.
Acha, in these two. Okay, okay.
In
Jesus.
this one is a sifa to the zaman. Okay, so they
Zamanan.
stayed for a long time.
Okay, zamanan will be mafool fihi and tawilan will be sifa to zamanan.
Yes, exactly. Okay,
Yeah,
but you
ji.
can delete it. You can delete zamanan and then you are left with tawilan. Labisu tawilan. Same thing here. You say this is naibul
Naib-
maful fihi.
Yes.
Naibul mafool fihi. Okay.
Okay, because it's still the sifa of zamanan. Or you can say this is sifa of maful fihi that is mazuf. Iraab books might say that also. Instead of saying naibul maful fihi, they say sifa li maful fihi mahzuf. Okay?
So it is the mausuf which is hidden, sister.
Yes, the mausuf is the one that is omitted. Correct.
Okay, okay. Mausuf and sifa. Okay, got it, sister.
Okay.
Ji,
Next one, any word that makes the maful fihi, it's mudaf ilaihi. Okay, so kul, ama, ba'da, nisfu, rabi, all this. No, this is rubu or rabi. And even numbers. So basically any word. Okay, any word. So Sister Quratul Ain.
Sister,
Yes.
sister, just want to clarify one thing. So in the first example, zarf was mazuf, and in the second, mausuf was mazuf, right?
Yes, but
still
both
the
are
Iraab,
zarf.
yeah, both are zarf. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Just that
Okay,
one
but here
is
it is still
mudaf,
as a
mudaf
mausuf.
ilahi, one is mausuf and
Ah,
sifa. Yes,
sifa.
but both
Okay,
is still
okay.
zarf. Yes.
Both are zarf, and when they are omitted, the other word coming after it will be naibul.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay, sister.
Sister Quratul Ain.
Yeah. Sahartu kulla layli. So sahartu is the fi'l madi. Fa'il ana and kulla would be the mafool bihi. Yeah.
Why maful bihi?
No. Kulla. Is it not mafool bihi?
Okay. How would you translate this? I mean, the translation is there.
So yeah. Yeah, I stayed up all night.
Yeah, I stayed up the whole night.
Yeah.
Mm.
So the whole would be
So if there was no kulla there, it would have been sahartul layla.
Yes, so sahartu layla would so layl is this would still be maful bihi, not maful fihi. Oh, I
Maful
don't.
fihi because you're this is
Zarf zaman?
like when you stay, yeah, exactly, Zarf zaman. You I
Okay.
stayed up when I stayed up the night. Yes.
Okay.
I guess maybe can
Yes.
be maful bihi also. I guess you can argue that. I guess maybe it's certain. Yeah. But if we take this as maful fihi, so now kula will become
So kulla is so does kulla become the I don't understand. Kulla becomes the maful fihi.
yes, but we say naibul maful fihi.
Naibul.
Right?
Yeah.
Any word that makes the actual maful fihi become the mudaf ilahi, right? This is the mudaf, this is mudaf ilahi. Then this is your naibul maful fihi.
Sister, it's like kulla uzbuin naibi anil jarf. You know, we read, right? Like zarf also naibi anil zarf there, right? Kullu uzbuin.
Yes, correct. Because usbu is the zarf word, right? So you put kullu, that becomes the naibul maful. Yes, correct.
Sister, can the kula be mazuf or not?
I don't know that.
Oh,
I'm not sure. I know.
Can
Can it be like this? I guess if there's no kulla, then it will be normal maful fihi. Then it might not mean the whole night. It can mean the whole night, but it might not mean the whole night also.
So this make it specific.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay.
sister,
Sister, in that case, will it
sister,
become
we
I
can say
stayed?
two-way, right? We can say two-way. Naibi anil maful, naibi anil maful fihi or naibi anil zorf. Because
Yes, correct. Because Mafool Fihi and Zorf is the same thing. Yes, you can
same,
say.
yeah.
Yes.
Zorf zaman and makan is equal to maful fihi, right, sister?
Yes, correct.
Zorf zaman, yeah. That's why we can say both way, either way. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Mhm.
Yes, Sister
So,
Vita, you were saying?
Yeah. So I was saying that if we remove kulla, then Laili will become Lail, right?
Layla.
So
Yes.
yeah, Layla. So then will it mean like I stayed up
The
at
night.
or I like
I stayed up the
I
night.
The night. Yeah.
yeah. So will it be like at night instead of
Yeah, basically
or in the night?
it is at night. Yeah, I stayed up at night.
Yeah.
Yes, because it's a
Yeah.
Mafool Fihi. Yes. So in English
Yes.
we can say at. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. So that way it will be changed.
Yes.
Yeah. So that means, sister, so that means, where we had it as mudaf mudafile, and if the mudaf is omitted, then the mudafile will take up the haraka like mansoob
Yes.
haraka, right?
Correct.
In both the cases.
Yes.
Yeah. But sister, I didn't understand when you said kullu is naib. I thought the word that is coming after will be naib, like in first two examples we saw.
Say again.
In like first two examples we saw, like in
Mhm.
waqt,
Okay, so here, right?
Yeah.
What you have here is you have something mazuf, right? It's supposed to be here, not there. So this word itself, it's the naibul
Naib.
maf'ul fihi. Yes.
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
you don't have to have kul. You have a maf'ul fihi, but you put kul, then the maf'ul fihi becomes the mudhaf ilaihi. So this kul becomes the naibul maf'ul fihi. Opposite of this. This something was dropped, and then this one became it. This something is not dropped, it's still there, but something replaced its place. So it becomes it also.
No,
Can you
but if
understand?
it is the case where we are talking about if we drop kul, in that case also we'll say that naib is dropped.
No, if there's no kul, you would say al-laila is the maf'ul fihi itself and finish story.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
But here you're adding something to it, and then it does not become laila anymore. It's laili, right? So this is the opposite of this. This you drop something, and you can have it there. Here once you drop this itself is the naib is the maf'ul fihi.
Okay. Got
Opposite.
it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
This is-
So is it
Okay.
always the mudaf? Is it always a part of the maf'ul fihi?
Meaning?
Meaning, like in what's written here as well, it's like kullu ba'd nisf. So some part of the main, whenever
Yes.
it's in this form, mudaf
Okay,
mudaf
so
ilayh.
means that when you see this kind of words, right, you have to see what is the word after. If kula was not there, what is that word actually? So we have this same example inside maf'ul mutlaq. So in that place, kula is naibul maf'ul mutlaq, not naibul maf'ul fihi. Let me show you. So yes, you have to look at what is after kula to see what exactly kula is actually. Here. Okay, here we have fala tamilu kullal mail. Okay, mail is same root letters as tamilu. Yes. So without kulla, this will be our maf'ul mutlaq. So kulla here becomes naibul maf'ul mutlaq because this word is actually maf'ul mutlaq without kulla. Same thing just now, the one that we saw, sahartu kullal lail. Oh no, where is it? Here. Okay. Without kulla, this is maf'ul fihi. So this is naibul maf'ul fihi, not naibul maf'ul mutlaq. Yes, because this is not maf'ul mutlaq to this. So yes, depends on, you have to see what is the word after it. Exactly. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Clear? Becomes clear, inshallah?
Yes, inshallah. Jazakallah.
Yes, sister. Clear.
Any questions? Any other questions?
So kullu will become silent, sister. So it's only if it is kulla in the nasab form, then these are all the consequences which you are saying, right?
Yeah, so
Like
this
kullu unasim.
this is an
Correct.
ism, right? This is an ism. So it can
Okay.
be any status. So if you see kullu, then you have to see why is it rafa there. Maybe it's a
Yeah.
fa'il. Maybe it's even as a mubtada. Right? This is an
Hmm.
ism. This is normal ism. It can be kulla, kullu, kulli. Yes. You have to see the context of the sentence. Here, it's coming with al-lail. Without kulla is our
So,
maf'ul fihi. So this is naibul maf'ul fihi.
Mafool
Yes.
Feehi. Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because
Clear?
file is already there, sister. No?
Actually,
Yes, correct. We have
In
fa'il already.
Sahartu file is already there. So yeah.
no, there is a jumla, right? In Surah Baqarah, it's qad alima kullu unasim
Yes. So
mashrabahum. So
alima
there,
is your fi'il madi. Kullu is your fa'il.
so it is with the Arab, we have to see what is what, right?
Yes,
So it is not
exactly.
only kullu. Ji, ji.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear,
Yes, sister.
everyone?
So far, yes.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, we
Okay.
kind of toss it there. Then we'll try to reason now again.
We have 20 minutes. Do you want to take do you want to end here or do you want to go to the next ayah?
Let's do the next ayah, sister. Sure.
Everyone agree? Inshallah.
Yes,
Yeah.
inshallah.
Okay. Well, I think is it because like still fresh in your head all of this? Hold on. Okay. Let me do a new recording for this.